Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to model a parametric coffee table in the SolidWorks. Let's get started. First, create a new sketch on the top plane. Draw a rectangle. And set the length to 1400. Then make these two lines to be equal. Finish the sketch, then go to Surface, make a planar surface. Then use Freeform to make an organic surface. First, to make these four edges to be movable. Then check symmetry into directions, and click Add Point to add point. And then click again to end it. Then select the edge, then the point. Now we can move the point. Then we can input the movement in the y-axis. And the same on another control point. Next, we need to modify the center of the surface, so add curves in the middle of the surface on both directions. Then we can have a control point in the center. Select the control point and modify the movement. Next, we need to modify the arrow of the control curves. Next, we will move the arrow of the corner point to modify the strength of the edges. And the same on another direction. This is on the z-axis. Now we have a free-form surface. Then go to Sketch, create a 3D sketch. Then go to Face Curves and input the quantities to 28 in both directions. Then hide the surface. Then go to Extrude the surface. Select the top plane to be normal base. Set the depth to 40. Now we have the web surface. Then create a 3D sketch. Convert entities and select the surface in one direction. And here we only select the half of them. Click OK, and then we have the profile of the slats. Go to Extrude. And modify the depth to 8. And select the front plane to be normal base. And select the middle plane as the end of condition. Now we have the half slats in one direction. Then go to Mirror. Select the front plane and then select the solid bodies. Next, we will do it again in another direction. Create a 3D sketch. Go to Convert Entities. Then select the surfaces. Then go to Extrude. Select the right plane to be normal base. Here we need to uncheck the merge result. Then go to mirror. Select the right plane and select the bodies. Then go to Surfaces, Thicken, and select the boundary surface. Set the thickness to 8 and uncheck merge result. Then we can hide all the surfaces. Then create a plane, select the top point and the top plane as a reference. Then create a sketch on this new plane and draw a rectangle. And then set the length to 2000. And make these two edges to be equal. Go to Extrude. Set the thickness to 20. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.